Hello everybody, this is Jason F. Smith, creator of the Shades of Energy and Modern Day Warrior Intensive, found at jasonfsmith.com. Today's edition of the Daily Download topic is the failure to succeed. The failure to succeed. So sit back, relax, and welcome to the download. Today I was walking along, I was strolling, and I had this opportunity come up to join this organization. And I'd been watching this organization for a while. I'd been sitting back, keeping my eye on it, paying attention a little, but not too much. Saying, hey, I think that could help me. Hey, I think that could help me. But I stayed away. So why did I stay away? I'll tell you why I stayed away. Because some things are so big in life that you know they're going to change and rock your world. They are going to upset the tea cart, the apple cart. Things are going to get messy, and you intuitively know it. If you get involved with a certain organization, if you get involved with a certain person, things are going to get messy, and not in a bad way, but your life as you know it is going to change. I remember when I first met my wife, Jennifer, and we spent time together, and we hit it off, and there was some chemistry, but there was also something more. And I'm telling a little bit of her story here. Someday I'll let her tell it, but she ran. I'll just leave it at that. She ran. And I remember when she came back, we sat and we had a talk, and she said, it's not that it's bad with you, it's that it's too good. It's gonna change my life. See, at that time, she was single, had never been married, and had no kids, and I was single with 3 kids. So she knew coming into my life was gonna be a big deal. It wasn't just getting, a boyfriend. It was getting 3 kids, and there was this lurch in her system. So we talk about living by the code, and she had to betray the code for a little bit. She had to kind of lie to herself and run. She didn't run very long, but she had to take that breather, that step back. And so when I came up just like that into this organization, this offer, I had to step back because I knew intuitively this was going to change my life, that I would be forced to grow, that I would be forced to expand, that it would affect my children, that it would affect my wife, that it would change everything in my landscape, that it would affect my father, it would affect my business, it would affect my friends, all for the better, but it was in a way that would force us to grow, to push, to move. And that growth would require certain deaths, certain people would have to die, and I would have to become a new man for my woman, a new man for my children. And at first I ignored it. I walked away. I was strolling along, and I just walked away. And it wasn't because I didn't like it or I didn't think it had value. It was because I knew it was going to change me. Do you know what that organization was? It was Wake Up Warrior. It was Wake Up Warrior. I'd seen a few scenes, a few videos, read a few posts, started to apply to Warrior Week, stopped, but I'd already put in my email address, so they kept sending me email. And I kept getting these emails, and I kept getting these emails, and I kept getting these emails. And I was like, you know what, I should check that out, because that's just like any other material out there I'll sift through it and I'll take a little here and a little there. Whatever's useful to me. You know, whatever is useful to me. What do I need? I'll take that. I'll take this. I'll leave the rest behind. Oh, brothers and sisters, I was bullshitting myself. And I started to step in. And I started to say yes. And I started to get fucking scared. And I was excited. But I kept lying to myself. I kept just bullshitting myself. It's like, well, I'll just take a little here and I'll take a little there. I'll take a little there and I'll take a little here. And it was just bullshit. Because the more I got in, the more I encountered the life system, the belief system, and the more I learned it and the more I lived it, it started to take over because it works. And now I get to see it on the other side. I see other people hemming and hawing. They're hemming and hawing. They come up with excuses and they say, well, I'll take this. It's not that big a deal. You're a pretty good, great guy, Jason. You're getting some results, but I don't know if it would work for me. And that Garrett guy, I don't know about him. And I don't know about that Coach Sam guy. And I don't know about those black t-shirts. And I see it because I was there. And I even dipped my toe in the water. I came in on an entry-level product, $1,000. Little entry program that changed my life. It has upset the apple cart. It has spilled the tea everywhere, brothers and sisters. All for the better. I am coming up in 2 months on my 1-year anniversary. That's how much my life has changed. In 10 months. The belief system works if you work it. And this is what? This is the intimacy podcast, but everything has changed in my intimacy. Just ask my wife. The consistency, the trust, the expansion, the intimacy. If you know what I mean, I'm talking about the touch, the communication, the looks, the feel, the loving. Brothers and sisters, hey, it might not be Wake Up Warrior for you. It might not be Shades of Intimacy. Might not be Modern Day Warrior. Might be something else. But somewhere out there, something's calling you, and it's gonna fucking change your life. And you know it. And you know it. And it's okay. You can piddle around the corner and dip your toe in, or you can jump all the way. It doesn't matter to the universe. But there's a calling. Can you hear it?